Let us say we have two glass spheres which are made to overlap with each other. Their centers are C1 and C2. The line passing through these two centers is called the principal axis. Midpoint of C1 and C2 is called optical center. This is the edge of the lens. The midpoint of optical center and the centers of both the spheres are called foci. On one side it is focus f1, on the other side it is focus f2. Now when we use the overlapped region of the two spheres only and every other part is taken off, we get a lens. We use three kinds of rays in order to draw the ray diagram and find out the position and nature of the image. The first ray is the one that is incident on optical center and it passes undeviated without any deflection. The second kind of ray is parallel to principal axis and then it passes through the focus of the lens on the other side. While the third ray is incident through the focus on one side, and once it is incident upon the lens, it passes parallel to the principal axis. In this section we will be discussing 5 distinct cases depending upon the position of the object. In the first case, the object will be located beyond the center. In the second case, the object will be located right at the center. In the third case, the object is located in between the center and the focus. In the fourth case, the object is right at the focus. And in the fifth case, the object is between focus and the lens. When the object is beyond the center of the lens, the object first ray passing through the optical center and going undeviated. The second ray is incident parallel to principal axis and upon refraction passes through the focus of the lens on the other side. The rays meet and the image is formed. When the object is placed at the center, one ray passes through the optical center of the lens and goes undeviated. One ray is incident parallel to principal axis and passes through the focus after refraction. Both rays meet and the image is formed right at the center on the other side. when the object is in between the center and focus. The object, one ray is passing through the optical center of the lens and goes undeviated. The second ray passes parallel to the principal axis and passes through the focus. The rays meet and the image is formed beyond the center. When the object is right at the focus, the object, one ray is passing through the optical center and goes undeviated. The other ray is passing parallel to principal axis and upon refraction then passes through the focus on the other side. As we can see, the two rays are parallel and they will not meet on either sides. We now see that the image is formed or likely to be formed at infinity. When the object is placed between the focus and the lens, the object, the first ray passes through the optical center and goes undeviated. Second ray is incident parallel to principal axis and on the refraction passes through the focus on the other side. As we can see, both rays are diverging from each other. So should we back produce them, they happen to meet at a point and an upright virtual image is formed. This image is upright, virtual and magnified.